Good morning, St. Francis Elementary School students and staff. It is Wednesday, October 7th. At SFE, we are respectful, responsible, and safe. Birthdays today, we have Skylar in 1st grade, Brooke in 5th grade, and Fiona in 1st grade. Happy birthday to you students today. A couple things I want to talk to you about today, boys and girls. Starting next week, for those of you that don't know, we are moving to our hybrid learning model, which means that only half of you will be here each day. And Fridays it will actually be a virtual learning day. Now we have a lot more to talk about when it comes to that, but one big change or two big changes that will happen when you go to the lunchroom, when you go to eat during the day, there will only be 4 or less students at a table. Your teachers will let you know where you're sitting. We will have blue tape set on those tables to know what seats you can use or should be using. That'll happen next week. Also at recess, I know it's a bummer, but we have to split up the recess area into 4 different zones, which means you will only be allowed to play in certain areas during recess. So not everyone will get to play on the playground every day like we have so far. I know, it's a bummer, but I need your help with this to make sure that we are in the right spots at the right time. And I'll talk more about that in the next 2 days, just so you can see a map and all of that fun stuff. Ms. Schulman?
But they would still, the next day, they might be able to play on the playground.
Right, yes. During the week, you will get to be on the playground at least once. Unless we have a 3-day week. Then you might not. So, yeah, great point. I suppose some weeks it could be even twice.
Yes, so
Yes.
we'll just kind of have to see how that goes.
Yep. And
Okay.
you can definitely let me know how things are going.
All right, behind you, Mr. Johnson,
Yes.
is an unfortunate picture.
Yeah,
This is what I saw in the 3rd and 2nd grade hallways yesterday.
yes.
And I don't think that the kids know that not to stack their garbage like that, because then it creates a real big mess.
Right. And being respectful, right?
Right.
So what can we do, Ms. Schulman? What do you think?
Well, we could try another garbage can,
Right.
maybe down by the bathrooms.
Yep.
Or tell your teacher.
Yep.
Maybe use the garbage can in the classroom.
Sure.
But, we can't just have the garbage can overflowing like that.
Right. I agree, 100%. I think those are all great ideas. Look for another garbage can somewhere else, or let your teacher know that it's overflowing, and maybe he or she can get a hold of Mr. Lee, and we can get it fixed right away. Great idea. I love it. Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, you can stand and join me for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Students, staff, have a great day. Remember, the choice is yours.